Shaping the next generation of educators is no small task. Our schools have become increasingly diverse, making it a complex environment for teachers to navigate. In order for them to be successful, they need a solid foundation to develop the right skill set to handle the intricacies of today's classrooms. This knowledge lies in our graduate programs. It's here that students learn more about the vast differences that exist in our world and how to hone their skills to make a difference. The School of Leadership and Education Sciences at the University of San Diego is not a traditional school of education. Here, they dig deeper, with a special dedication to social justice, multiculturalism, and diversity. Learn how to make a real difference in our increasingly diverse world through collaborations with some of the most forward-thinking innovators in education. This meaningful approach is taking each student one step closer to building a better world. To learn more, visit us online today.